In today's video I'll show you how to export SRT subtitles from Descript. First, we start on the Descript home screen where you can see your list of recent projects. I'll move my cursor down and click on the project named Add Captions to open it up. As the project loads, we can see the full transcription and video preview appear in the main workspace. Once you are satisfied with your project, look towards the top right corner of the interface. You will see a prominent button labeled Export. I'm going to click on that to bring up the Export Settings panel on the right side of the screen. In this side panel, you will see several tabs at the top for different export types like video, audio, timeline, transcript, and subtitles. Since we want to export our text as closed captions, I will click on the last tab labeled Subtitles. With the Subtitles tab selected, we now have access to several configuration options. You can change the format, toggle speakers, or set limits for characters and lines per card. Right now, the format is set to subtitle titles. To change this, I will click on the Format drop-down menu and select SRT from the list to update our export settings. With our format properly set to SRT, I will look down at the bottom of the panel and click the large Export button to start processing. As soon as it finishes, a Windows Save As dialog box pops up automatically. The file name defaults to match our project title, and the file type is correctly set to SRT. I will move over to the left-hand navigation panel and click on Downloads to save it there. Then, I'll go ahead and click the Save button at the bottom. Once the status changes to Download Complete, we are fully done inside the web browser. Now, I'll minimize the window and open up the Windows File Explorer. From here, I'll head over to the Downloads folder from the left-hand navigation panel. Inside, you'll see our newly exported SRT file sitting right at the top. I'll double-click the file to open it up, and a prompt will appear asking to select an app to open this type of file. I'll choose Notepad from the suggested apps and click just once. The Notepad file opens instantly, showing the fully formatted SRT subtitles complete with sequence numbers, precise timecodes, and the corresponding text lines matched perfectly to the video. And that's it. That's how you export SRT subtitles from Descript.